What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to upgrade your movie nights in 2025, you've come to the right place. Mini projectors are seriously trending this year, and they're not what they used to be. We're talking way more brightness and a ton of smart features packed into tiny packages. Today, we're counting down the top 5 mini projectors of 2025, from budget-friendly options all the way to premium powerhouses. All the links for these are waiting for you in the description below. Let's jump right in at number 1 with the undisputed premium king, the ThundeaL TD98 Pro. This thing is an absolute beast. We're talking a blindingly bright 3000 ANSI lumens, which means you can get a crisp, clear picture even with some lights on. It decodes for 1000 content, giving you stunning detail. The sound is just as impressive, with dual 15-watt speakers and a dedicated bass diaphragm that delivers room filling. Audio. Plus, it's packed with smart tech like autofocus, auto keystone correction, and even smart obstacle avoidance, so it adjusts the screen size for you. With every connection you could need, including Wi-Fi 6, this is the ultimate choice for a full-blown home cinema experience. It's number 1 because it's simply the brightest and most feature-packed mini projector out there. Next up, at number 2, is our pick for the best performance-to-value ratio, the Magcubic L018. This projector hits that sweet spot perfectly. You get a sharp native 108p resolution and a very respectable 650 ANSI lumens of brightness. It runs on Android 11, giving you access to all your favorite streaming apps right out of the box. Just like the premium models, it features autofocus and auto keystone, making setup a breeze. A really cool feature is its 360-degree projection capability, letting you project onto the ceiling for a unique viewing experience with fast Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and an included Air Mouse remote. The L018 is a fantastic all-rounder for movie nights, gaming, and any medium-sized room. Sliding into our number 3 spot is the HY320, which we're calling the best mid-range upgrade. If you've seen the popular HY300, think of this as its bigger, better sibling. It offers a true native 108p resolution and 390 ANSI lumens, a noticeable step up in clarity and brightness, running on Android 11 with dual Wi-Fi 6. It ensures smooth streaming and stable connections. It's still super compact and portable, but it delivers that extra punch in performance that makes a real difference. For anyone looking to move beyond a basic entry-level model without breaking the bank, the HY320 offers fantastic value and reliability. It's a solid mid-range champion. At number 4, we have the ThundeaL TD80W. The theme for this one is sharp and smart. It delivers a full HD 108p picture, decodes 4000 content, and even supports 3D for an immersive experience. It comes with a built-in Android system, so it's ready for streaming marathon right away. Where the TD80W really shines is its excellent color accuracy, making movies and photos look vibrant and true to life. This makes it a surprisingly versatile choice, equally great for your home cinema setup or for delivering crisp, professional presentations. It's a smart, sharp, and reliable projector that punches well above its weight. And finally, at number 5, our best budget choice for 2025 is the Magcubic HY300 Pro. This is an evolution of the internet-famous HY300, now with Android 14. It boasts 290 ANSI lumens and a native 720p resolution, but it still supports 108p input, which is amazing for the price. It's incredibly lightweight and portable, and with dual Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0, connectivity is solid. This is the perfect starter projector. It's ideal for a kid's room, a dorm, or for taking outside on a summer night. If you're on a tight budget but still want a smart, capable projector, the HY300 Pro is an absolute no-brainer. So there you have it, our top 5 mini projectors for 2025. We've covered the premium ThundeaL TD98 Pro, the balanced Magcubic L018, the mid-range HY320, the sharp ThundeaL TD80W, and the budget-friendly HY300 Pro. There's something here for every need and budget. Remember, all the links to check these out are in the description. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you out, a like would be awesome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.